So, besides this here, was there anything else?
No. There's nothing on this side.
I don't care about this thing.
Yeah.
And I have enough scrapes here and there. I don't care. But I'll
let
take.
me know. I have a body person right next to me. I live in this neighborhood, so let me know. I could always just get it done for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your number?
I just called you.
Oh. Okay.
It's the 818 number.
Okay.
Here, I'll call you again. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
I'll take a look in the daylight
Okay.
and see. I don't think there's anything wrong. Thank you.